For number 5, find dy over dx and simplify the result whenever possible. So for number 5, y is equals to ln x plus 3 raised to the power 4. So we know that the derivative of ln is just equals to this one, d over dx ln u is equals to 1 over u du over dx. So our u here is just equals to x plus 3 raised to the power 4. So let's simplify. So y prime is equals to, so 1 over, so u is equals to x plus 3 raised to the power 4. So 1 over u, so d over dx, so 4 times x plus 3. So 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. So derivative inside is 1. So we'll simplify. So we have y prime is equals to 4 multiplied by x plus 3 raised to the power 3 all over x plus 3 raised to the power 4. So we will simplify this one. Y prime is equals to, so the x plus 3 raised to the power 3 will be cancelled, and this will be also cancelled. So the remaining will be 1. So we have 4 all over x plus 3. So this is now our final answer. So let's check if our answer is correct. Y prime is equals to 4 all over x plus 3. So our answer here is correct. So let's proceed to another number.